Project estimation. How to calculate project time and cost. What is project estimation? For successful project implementation, we need to forecast the resources which will be needed during the process. We have to predict the need for resources, foresee potential problems, and evaluate the risks of the project. It is always a challenge for managers and product owners, but it is an absolute must-have at the stage of planning and project initiation. Today, we will talk about the proper estimation, which helps to build the right process, choose the right team, and avoid probable mistakes. What types of estimations take place during a project? To estimate the budget and scope of the project, we need to look at the project management triangle, which includes the cost, time, and scope of the project. Then we have to analyze risks, resources, and quality. The triangle of cost, time, and scope means that each of the three elements has an impact on the other two. If the duration of the project may change, it will bring changes to the whole project. Let's take a look at the main elements of the project estimation. Number one is cost. One of the main reasons why startups fail is cost issues. Foreseeing the amount of money needed for the finishing of the project and the time when the funds will be required is the first thing to do. Most startups rely on investors and venture capitalists to fund them until their product or service starts making money. And if that doesn't happen fast enough, investors often balk at continuing to fork over cash for an extended period of time. That is how the wrong estimation could destroy the work done. The next part of project estimations is time. So, second important part, time. In every project, there is a moment when the main question will be asked. How long will the project last? Time is money. So, the mistakes in this stage will lead to financial consequences. There are different time estimation techniques that we use in our projects, such PERT and CPM, but we will talk about them in the next video. The scope. The scope of the project is all work that must be done to finish the project or deliver the product. The planning of the scope of the project is crucial. It shows exactly what has to be done to deliver the ready product. By analyzing the amount of work, you can find the perfect talents and resources for the implementation. Thanks to estimating the risks, resources, and quality, you will prepare your project for every scenario which could appear. So, how do we work? The first stage is a workshop. During the workshop, we define the main ideas, choose the right functionality, understand the main problems, and create a plan for further work. This stage gives the base for estimation for our team, so we can analyze every part of the project. To estimate the project, we use the best practices and techniques which help us to foresee the possible changes. The second step is prototyping and solution. Then, testing, which is also a very important part of the work, and adaptation to all important elements. The following steps are production and integration. Our team is always ready to implement your project into life. Contact us via form at frontendhouse.com. You can also use the leakyms.com. Thank you for today and see you in the next episode.